Hey Team Creative, welcome back guys. Thank you for joining me. Today I am at a family member's house. He is a eligible bachelor, and of course men who are bachelors don't always keep things organized. So his cabinets have gotten a little bit out of control. He has some Tupperware that is kind of spread into different places, can't find the lids. And so I'm gonna come in and try to get things a little bit more organized. It's been difficult today. I'm tired before I even get started. I've been running around looking for organizational pieces, and unfortunately I didn't find everything that I needed. But I'm determined to get this recorded today, so I'm going to make this work. So this is going to be short and simple. I'm just going to tackle the cabinets that you guys see behind me that has all of his cups, plates, just servingware, and a few Tupperware pieces. There are some other cabinets that we'll tackle another day, but guys, thank you for joining me. If you're interested in seeing how this turns out, please keep watching. Let's jump right into the video.
What you want now? Feels like you're looking for something better. Is this what you want now? Or is it because you can't forget her? I can't keep pretending it's not getting to me. It's never ending. Can't give you what you need. You're misbehaving. Yeah, it's getting to me. It's never ending. You can give anything, so you can go. Yeah. So I can focus. I just need to focus on myself. Yeah, you better go. So I can focus, I just need to focus on myself. This is what I want now. And yeah. Oh, I never knew love would come and find me one day. Oh, I never knew that you would be the one headed my way. Yeah. Oh, you caught me off guard and you do.
Okay guys, so here is the final reveal. Everything that could have gone wrong did go wrong, but I am proud of myself because it still looks a lot better. This cabinet, I didn't do anything special. I bought this little stand that holds spices because he likes to travel, and when he travels he always collects shot glasses. So I bought this to hold his shot glasses. We have room on this side to grow. These are some of his bigger mugs that he likes to drink beer in. I put a few overflow Tupperware containers here because he likes to meal prep and take things to work at night to eat. So I went ahead and did that for him. This is the other cabinet, guys. This is the middle cabinet, guys, and here he had this nice picture that we kept. All of his dishes, nothing matched, so we got rid of those. I live near a local Goodwill, so we're gonna donate those. He has this pretty platter, so we did keep his platter. We just got some matching plates. I think we're gonna grab a few more things so he'll have some extra pieces. And then this is also just everyday bowls that he can use. Sorry guys, my hands has flour and everything on them from prepping, but everyday bowls, Tupperware containers. I bought this, I don't know if you can see it, that little Dollar Tree napkin holder to hold all of his extra lids. He had some pieces that I wanted to keep for extra tops, so that will keep those organized. I thought that was neat. And then finally, his glass cabinet looks a lot better. He has space to grow. It's getting a little dark, but you can see he has some nice glasses now. If company comes over, he had some jars that he wanted to hold on to, a few other pieces from travel, but we definitely have some room to grow. We'll get a few more sets of glasses, wine glasses, in case he entertains. So this turned out pretty well, guys. It was just basically, I should have done a clean with me and organized, because we had to just purge some stuff. And then, like I said, I did not plan on doing this other cabinet, but guys, his spices were so unorganized. All right, guys, I hope you all can see in this cabinet. So this is phase 2. I was not planning on tackling this today, but I am gonna just straighten these things up a little bit, because as you can see, he has spices and everything that he cooks with kind of strolled everywhere. So I'm gonna see if I can make it a little more organized for him. It's getting pretty late in the afternoon, so I'm gonna jump right in, do this pretty quickly, just pull everything out and kind of straighten it out a little bit. I'll give you guys a clip of what I'm doing at the end, so stay with me, guys. All right, so everything is all out. Marcus, you gotta tell me this. I can't find make no sense of none of the rest of this Tupperware over here.
It don't make sense. I just got it. This shit just in there.
And these plates, I don't know. Did somebody give you plates?
No, man, everybody just accumulated over here.
Cause I'm none of them match.
Not one. Not a one.
Okay, I'm just trying to make sure that it wasn't nothing sentimental.
Shit, man, them plates I came home wrapped up and fall off, and they would never leave.
Well, they look like little floral plates and stuff, so I'm like, well, maybe grandma them gave it to them.
No. Them came with food for the day.
So guys, his cabinet over the stove, he wasn't even utilizing. So I did go ahead and move some things from his spice cabinet to free up some space. I did some quick labels. I wasn't planning on labeling today. So it didn't do well for me because of my pen, but it turned out okay. So just his flour, sugar, he likes pancake mix. So I did that for him, some rice, cornmeal. I do need to grab some other containers, and these were just dollar store containers that I had to do things like pastas and grits and just a few more things. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. It was a quick organizational thing to just throw this together, because I did not plan on doing some of this stuff, but I think it turned out decent for him. He's a bachelor, so just trying to help him out, guys. So please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for joining me. And let me know what else you would like to see in the comment. Drop it in the comment line. Thanks, guys. See you next time.